Hello students of the world and welcome to Academia Hargeisa Universalis, the first international online and YouTube distance learning university in Somaliland, based in our Masala headquarters on the outskirts of Somaliland's capital city of Hargeisa, and its school of physics and its Astrophysics center. Astrophysics applied physical laws, including mechanics, electromagnetism, thermodynamics, and the birth, life and death of objects like stars, galaxies, and black holes. It breaks astronomy and physics, analyzing the composition, density, and temperature of the universe with beyond beam mapping, like why by cosmic phenomena. For more information about the university, follow me on Twitter, subscribe, click the like button, and write down the comments below on your progress. Enjoy the lecture. Astrophysics is a science that applies the methods and principles of physics and chemistry in the study of astronomical objects and phenomena, including the universe. As one of the founders said, astrophysics seeks to ascertain the nature of the heavenly bodies, rather than their position or motions in space, what they are, rather than where they are, which is studied in statistical mechanics. Among the subjects studied are the sun, other stars, galaxies, extrasolar planets, using standard medium and cosmic microwave background. Emissions from these objects are examined across all of the electromagnetic spectrum, and probably examine the luminosity, density, temperature, and chemical composition. Because astrophysics is a very broad subject, but physics is covered by concepts, promoted and disciplines of physics, including classical mechanics, electromagnetism, statistical, fundamental quantum mechanics, relativity, nuclear and particle physics, and atomic and molecular physics. In practice, modern astronomical research often involves scientific work in the realms of theoretical and molecular physics. Some areas of study for astrophysicists, including the properties of dark matter, energy, black holes, unknown bodies, and the origin of an alternate universe. Topics also studied in physical illusion, galaxy formation, molecular hydrodynamics, large scale the universe, all cosmic rays, generation, personality, physical science, the universe, including physics.